What is going on, guys? Liza over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome back to my channel. We are hanging out at the farm tonight. I figured I was going to give you guys a little bit of a tour because it's going to be the last time you see it like this because it's turning into winter wonderland. I'm going to show you guys all the winter preparations we've made in the garden and what it looks like all barren before we get it decorated for the season. I'm going to take you in our gift shop, which is a place I've never taken you over here on YouTube. And as usual, we got to go do some animal chores, so I'm going to show you what's going on back there. It is kind of an ugly time of year for us because all the gardens are cut back and it gets dark so early, which is why we like to do a little bit of holiday decorating. And I'm going to take you guys on the next video and show you what we accomplish. Figured we would start up here in the front by the entrance and the driveway. And all the gardens got cut back. Kevin usually uses the lawnmower to do that. And you can see we still have our giant pumpkin out here. I'm tempted to carve it for Christmas and see how long we can keep it, actually. You're still coming down the driveway. We've got the parking area for the store, and we've got all the farm out back. And I'm gonna show you guys the store so I can check my fire and get warmed up. Welcome to Pondering Creations Farm Gift Shop. Actually, this weekend we're gonna be getting rid of all the pond supplies out of here, and I'm gonna set up a craft bar so people can work on some craft projects. But here we go. We got the door closed for the season, so I still need to do a little decorating over here. We have lots of local artists and garden art, antiques, eco-friendly kitchen supplies, homestead stuff, garden art, garden inspired decor, holiday stuff. We've got handmade jewelry. I've got a little toy area. We still have rocks that are going to be coming in, all different little signs, locally made purses and candles and all kinds of stuff. Let me get some more wood in here. We've got bee swag and local honey. We like to support local small businesses and carry unique items. So stop in if you're ever in Connecticut. We're open Saturdays, Sundays, 10 to 5. We do appointments during the week, and we also do private shopping. So if you want to message or text me. This area is currently a mess, but this is where we sell all of our aquatic plants and fish, and where we store our pond liner, underlayment, and all kinds of stuff for ponds. And over here we have our gardens and different areas for animals. And then we've got our sheep back here. Almost time for food for everyone, but instead I brought them just a little treat that they can enjoy while I was out front. You girls want to try some pine? I know it's not time yet, Miss Rowe, but soon. Enjoy that, everyone. We got their waters all filled up today, so that's awesome. Oh, the turkeys think it's time. I gotta get out of here. So thanks for joining us at the farm today, everyone. Next time you're back in the garden, it's gonna look totally different. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel and tune back in next week to see what we have been doing out front in the garden. And I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the gift shop. We have lots of fun things going on in the gift shop right now, one of which is raffle. For every $20 you spend, you get a free gift when you spend $50. We also have a donation bin going on where you can buy an item and donate it, and we're going to give it to somebody local at the nursing home here in town. We've got Black Friday specials and sales. We're going to be doing a sip and shop. We've got ladies' night planned and lots of different private shopping parties. So let me know if you want to get one booked if you're local to us. See you on the next one.